Jack. Today's video is going to be about making a steering wheel cover made out of 550 paracord. Now I picked this up. You can find any outdoor equipment store or camping. 550 paracord here. I got 50 feet for about $7-8. You can get it off Amazon real cheap. I bought 50 feet of this and 100 feet of a different color here. Anyways, how you want to start off with tying it on here is you want your short end. I prefer it on my left. You wrap it around twice, then again, and then you throw it over your first loop here, making a knot. There you go. Now when you do this, you want to make sure that one end, you can make it bigger and then make it smaller. Now you want to start it off on here. Alright, you want to start it off on here. You lay it down. Alright, and you take your end, which I have it feeding from the floorboard here. Alright, you put it down. Take your long end. Take from underneath. Pull it through, because there's one side that'll tighten up on it. There you go. Now you take that same long end and bring it from the opposite direction through the loop. It's still going to be tight, so then you can tighten it down on itself. Bring it the other way. It's going to look messy at first, but it's going to look nice at the end once you get it all tightened down after a few tries. And you just keep doing that until you're done, or until you run out of paracord. There you go. Just keep bringing it around. It's fairly easy once you start getting it going. You just gotta make sure it's tight, otherwise it's not very good for driving. Now I do prefer my braids around the front of the steering wheel where I'm facing after driving for a while. Maybe on the inside, I don't know. You can move it around once you start getting it going. You just keep moving along like that. Anyways, that'll be all. It's fairly easy. I'll post some pictures once I have it done. I have a cool little design I was thinking about doing. Anyways, please like and subscribe. I hope this video was helpful. One last thing. When you run out, just bring it across here, put it through the loop. Tie it down. Take a knife. Just cut it. Then you take a plier. There it is. And then you just melt the edge. Just leave it on there a little bit. See it start to melt. It's gonna smell like nachos. Then you're done.